Yeah, listen, this is for everybody that had a rough life but still living. Man, if you know what I'm thinking, please stop tripping. Man, I know the people that be sipping, but for your fact, please just listen. I ain't gonna be out there doing the dissing. I'm just thinking. Man, if you had a rough life, don't let it bring you down. You know it's a tough life, but you know you better live it right, cause you only got one. You know that I'm gonna be getting like where's the money, where's the time, where's the role, where's the motherfucking dough? You know that I know how to get it. I'm going to the top, don't forget it, cause I ain't gonna stop. But you know that I'm gonna be spitting, ayy. I got the flow coming from Maple Grove. You know what I mean, you know that I be so cold. I ain't gonna stop. I said fuck the cops cause they know that I'm hot, but I'm out on my ground like Tony Hawk. If you know that I'm cold, but you know that I'm gonna go. I'm the next Eminem, maybe not, but you know that I'll be going. I'm chosen, you know that I'm gonna be rolling. I got blessing, you know that we gonna be doing. You know I be blowing, yeah, I'm blowing money cause I like the fun of it. You know that I said fuck a bitch, you know that we doing it quick. Now listen, cause I'm a self-made, I be going to the top, man, I'm trying to get paid. Cause I ain't like these other people when I get older. I be trying to have a house with a spouse. You better know her, you better know that I'ma have them cars. Cause I'm only whipping large, I got the fours. I be rolling, you know that I'm never joking. We got all of it, if you gon' be calling me, better know I'm on it, on the beat. You know what the fuck I mean, is that I'm never gonna stop. But you know that I got the reefer. You know that you got the fever, A1. I'm never gonna stop, but you know that they may be done, but I ain't, because I be going. You better know that I ain't joking, you know that I'm gonna be rolling, yeah. I said it a couple times up in this verse. You know what I mean, man, I might leave you in a hearse. You know that I'm cold and I might be cursed, but that don't stop me, I hit the third verse. I'm going, never gonna stop, but I'll be chosen, you know that I said, yeah. That I said, never let that tough shit bring me down. I don't care what is even around me, but you know that I'm coming back with the motherfucking strap, and you know where I'm gonna be at. Yeah, this one for you and your friends. Let you know that I'm cold. Just tell them this is for you. Let's go. You know that I got that. Whoa.